One invention that I love is smartphone. It was invented in 1990 and one of the first modern smartphones was created by IBM in 1992 called Smart. Later, many companies such as Apple and Samsung developed it into the powerful device we use today. The smartphone is extremely necessary daily life because it helps communicate, study, work, and relax. It is used to make calls, send messenger, take photos, search for information, and even control smart device. I like invent because it makes life smartphone more convenient and connected. That's why this invention my favorite. Thanks for listening.